Alright guys, so I know I recently just announced that we were on the next Hermes journey. What will it be? Birkin, Kelly, Bolide? We don't know yet. For the time being, this is probably, knock on wood, my last unboxing slash haul for a few months at least. And today I have some really good stuff to share with you guys, and I'm literally so excited. Before we dive into all that though, hey guys, my name's Caleb. I post luxury and lifestyle related content when you ask every Wednesday, Friday, and Saturday, so if that's something you're into, make sure to hit the subscribe button down below. Consider joining our membership. We have an awesome community, extra perks, access, you name it. And today I am excited to dive in and share with you all my recent haul for April. Now listen, there's gonna be everything from Coach, Banana Republic, L'Occitane, Hermes. There's a little bit of everything from every category in here, so let's dive in. All right, so you all may remember earlier this month, I unboxed a lot of amazing Bleecker goodies. You know, after using this bottle green duffel for about a week, I was kind of inspired to maybe buy it in another color. Listen, if I like something, I'll just buy it in another color. Unfortunately, lightning did not strike twice. I don't love the new one as much. So without griping too much, the Bleecker duffel that I picked up this time was the color wine from the same Bleecker collection. Now this has the Tattersall interior, beautiful chunky brass hardware. And listen guys, it can go on the shoulder, or you can change this up and go crossbody like I have with my bottle green. Overall, like, I mean, she's really cute, don't get me wrong, but for some reason, I thought this would scratch my Rouge H itch, say that 5 times fast, and it just doesn't. Like, it's one of those things, and true bag collectors are gonna understand, but like when you open up a box and you see a bag for the first time, and you just don't get like that feeling, like that rush of excitement, then you kind of know you've made a mistake. So that being said, I have cleaned it up. I have given it a lot of moisture. It's good and ready to go. This is going to be showing up in my upcoming live sale, so mark your calendars. It's probably coming the first week in June. This is going to make someone very happy. It is a gorgeous bag, just not for me. So up next, I had to stop into L'Occitane. Now listen, you guys, it is no secret. I don't get a lot of sleep and it shows on my under eyes, plus the freckles. My concealer works harder than I do, and to give my concealer a bit of a break or a little help, I popped into L'Occitane and I bought some products that work really well for me. Now up first, we have the L'Occitane Immortal Reset Overnight Reset Eye Serum. Now I've been using this for a few months until I recently ran out, and up until that point, I had been seeing a lot of results. Now typically I would pair this with the, I think it was the Immortal Contour serum, and combined together they actually worked really well and I saw good results. And like I said, I ran out sadly, and like I literally was like squeezing out every last drop. I love this stuff. And instead of the other contour, I decided to switch things up and go with the Immortal Precious. Now this is a Proactive Youth skincare eye contour, and it literally states that it's for fine lines, dark circles, and radiance, which I need a little radiance in my life, so I thought this would be something nice to try. Now, instead of the pump like the eye contour that I've been using, this one just comes in a little jar, so you should probably use a little bit of a spoon so that way you don't contaminate it. But I think combined, these two are going to come in clutch for me, especially before we head into these warmer months, and I just get that much more busier and that much less sleep. Now, wish me luck, or I need to go find another good concealer. Alright guys, now listen, it is no secret that 2024 I am reworking my wardrobe. A lot of the pieces that I currently have are a little too loud, a little too over the top, and not very well constructed. I have a lot of ASOS, don't judge me, safe space. So we popped up to Wisconsin at the Pleasant Prairie outlets, and I popped into Ralph Lauren. You're like, Caleb, you have like 2+ Ralph Lauren outlets just outside your back door, and I'm like, I get it, like I understand. But shopping here in Chicagoland, everything is over 10% for sales tax. Popping up to Wisconsin, it's only 5%. So it's worth the drive, and my husband gets to pop into his favorite video game store in Racine. It all works out, trust me, I promise. So at the Ralph Lauren outlet, I picked up 2 shirts. They actually had a few that I liked, and they just didn't really work for me. So up first, I picked up this beautiful thick t-shirt. And what I love about this one, I love a good thick knit t-shirt. Those like light flimsy ones have never really done it for me. I'm not like the most svelte person, and they kind of cling to all the wrong spots. So the thicker the t-shirt, the better in my opinion. And I like that it's just a simple gray t-shirt, but you also have that polo Ralph Lauren crest here on the front. So this would look good in the summertime with like maybe like white linen pants, you know, relaxed sneakers, just like casual afternoon vibes, perfect for like lunch or walking along the beach, because I do that so often. But I mean, it's Lake Michigan. We have some cute beaches here. But this was only $39.99, and then I signed up for their notifications, so I got another 15% off my purchase. Win-win, no-brainer. In the bag it went, and I'm pretty happy. Now I picked up a second shirt, and this one I almost didn't get, but I was like, it's too good to leave behind. And this is really leaning in toward that kind of cowboy aesthetic, which I'm here for. The vibes are 100. This is from the Polo Ralph Lauren, their more denim collection. With this, you have that more Western, you have those kind of like pearl buttons here at the front. They're not real pearl, I mean, it's outlet after all. But I loved the Western details and these like nice soft neutrals. This is gonna look really good with white pants. In the summertime, maybe like a hat and some boots. Am I Ricky? Like, trust me, it is a vibe. I could even throw like a cute little sweater over my shoulders, or maybe that turquoise squash blossom necklace I've always wanted. We can manifest, right? After all, I hope. This piece, you guys, absolutely fabulous. And I think it was only, yeah, it was only $148 before the 15% off. With this one, I wanted kind of baggy, oversized vibes, especially if I do like tighter jeans. I could, you know, tuck the shirt in with like a really cool chunky belt. But I thought this would be a vibe for summer, and I am super excited to try this out. Now, also speaking of ready to wear, about a week and a half ago, I ordered 2 pairs of linen pants from the Banana Republic factory outlet online. And normally I don't really vibe with the Banana Republic factory outlet because not a lot of the materials are all natural. Like, I'm trying to move towards more higher quality pieces. So like cottons, linens, like silks, good textiles. But I decided to take a chance on these, and they actually had my size in stock. I actually went up a size just because Banana Republic doesn't always make things for thick men. When I said save space, they don't. Like, it's a lot of like skinny, like little cute cuts, and I haven't actually been able to wear Banana Republic comfortably since like high school. It's a problem. I was super excited. They were like, I think I paid like $98 for both pairs of pants, which for a 6'7" man, when you find pants that might work, you just buy them, like no questions asked. They're still out for delivery. So maybe I'll have them someday and you'll see them in a vlog. I don't know. I'm super excited to try them on. They're supposed to arrive today, but I guess we'll see. All right, guys, let me show you one more Coach bag. It's a very rare, limited edition bag, which you might not have ever heard of. And then I'll show you some Hermes. And I am so freaking excited to have checked off another Hermes piece on my list. It is 100% a vibe. For the Coach bag, you guys, I got so lucky with this one. It's suede, it's extra large, oversized, and it's a bag that you might have forgotten about. But this is the Coach XL Editorial Zoe in the suede. Now this came in 2 colors. There's a darker suede and then there's this more like khaki suede that I have here. This is a vibe 100. It fits comfortably on my shoulder. It's kind of a vibe, not gonna lie. And there's this really cool chain detailing that runs down the side, across the strap, and down the other side. And it's really, for being such a big bag, it is not that heavy. And the front here, very minimal branding, so it's going with that quiet luxury aesthetic that we're all talking about. You just have the Coach stamped here into the suede, the hang tag, and then I'm here for this tassel moment off the zipper pull. And it just beautifully drapes, holds a ton of stuff, but I'm trying to decide, guys, like, is this a Caleb Snell bag, or should I flip this in a live sale? Let me know down below in the comments if you're interested in purchasing this or seeing it in the upcoming live sale. I mean, I love it, don't get me wrong, it is 100% a vibe, beautiful condition, but do I have place for it in my wardrobe? I'm trying to be a little bit more mindful, especially as we're re-embarking on the Hermes journey part 5, I think. So let's get a conversation going about this bag down below. All right, you've made it this far, so let's end it with a little H. As you currently know, I have the Breeds du Gala Twilly for my Kelly, but it's kind of a more springy summer aesthetic. Now listen, I'm not one of those people like, I'll wear it year round, I really don't care. But I thought this would be really fun for fall and late summer. And again, it's kind of giving off that Western energy that you know I love. So this is the Kelly on Pearls Twilly in the blue jean colorway. So this background is like a beautiful shade of saffron, very fall, very aesthetic, very me. All of this detailing, it's like little beads printed here onto the silk Twilly and the color blue jean. And I tied this onto my Kelly and it is 100% a vibe. I don't know, like, once you buy Hermes silks and then you compare it, like I have other, you know, companies' silks in my collection. I have some Lanvin, I have Louis Vuitton, I have Hugo Boss, which, I mean, that's kind of out of left field. But once you have some silk goodness in your collection, then you kind of understand why these are a little bit better. They're just, the quality is better, especially on these square scarves with the hand-rolled edges. It's just, I don't know, like, just Hermes takes it to another level, and that is why they're so famous for their silks. I seriously cannot wait to wear this out this summer. And honestly, my blue jean Kelly with this shirt would be 100% a vibe. So you're gonna see this in some upcoming summer vlogs. All right, guys, and of course, excluding the Banana Republic pants, this is my April shopping haul. I got some really good deals, not gonna lie. However, you know, in order to hit that goal for my next Hermes, we're gonna be pumping the brakes a little bit on my hauls and shopping, so wish me luck on that front. And let me know, guys, are you excited for the upcoming sale? Do you want me to do like a whole potential what could be in the sale style vlog? Let's get a conversation going down below. Until next time, guys, stay safe, have fun. I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye-bye.